This will make you great and untouchable. After making use of this, you see that anywhere you go, you'll be untouchable. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. My name is Pamela. So in this channel, I share spiritual tips, messages, spiritual tips that will be a blessing to you, drawing closer to God, teaching you how to do your spiritual work yourself. Yes, the things I share will help you to do your spiritual work yourself. You doing it rightly, follow the instructions. With your faith, you see things working perfectly, just like a magic. So if you love spiritual tips, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Like the title says, I will show you 3 things to make use of. One of these 3, if you make use of it once in a while, or especially in the time of trouble, you will surely overcome. Like, this is a way of cleansing out any evil the enemy has placed already in your life, or the one that is yet to come in your life. At the end of this, you will notice a great change in your life. Have you tried sugar cleanse? So I've been sharing like salt cleanse, lemon cleanse, palm oil cleanse, so many cleansing videos right on this channel. Check them out. You will see so many cleansing videos. So in case you are unable to locate my cleansing videos, just check on YouTube on the search, type Pamax Tv cleansing. You will see so many videos I have, so many cleansing videos. So depending on the title you want, if you do not want cleansing and you want something like protection, type Pamax TV protection, and all those videos about protection will just come out. Check any of them. By the grace of God, it's going to be a great blessing to you. So have you tried making use of sugar for cleansing? Like, this particular one have so many benefits. Like, not only to cleanse, it's going to attract good things to you, like making your life so sweet. So you have to make use of sugar in case people despise you, people don't love you, in case you desire favor. I've also made use of sugar in some videos, telling you how to make use of it, also with combination with something else. So this particular one, you can use only sugar. If you don't have the cube, just measure about 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar, add it into your bath water. So anytime you face rejection, anytime you see that you are filled with bitterness, you are not happy, and you want the atmosphere to be conducive, you want to be happy, just add about 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar into your bath water. So allow it to dissolve, maybe just leave it for some time, pray and make use of it, use it to cleanse. So this should be done only once daily. So it's not every day anyway, just depending on how you want it. So another one to make use of is salt. Okay, if you have been following my videos, you will see that I've shown how to make use of salt a lot. This particular one is sea salt. You can make use of any salt, okay? Yes, there are some videos that I will tell you make use of only sea salt. So that one is maybe I combine with another thing. So that one is a different thing. This particular one of using it to cleanse, to get rid of anything evil in your life. Like, before trying any spiritual work, it's very important to cleanse, to get rid of anything that you must have attracted, any negative energies you must have attracted into your life, or the one that evil one must have attracted into your life, that will make the spiritual work not to work, or that will make blessings not to come your way. Before trying any business, before doing anything, before embarking on anything, be it marriage, be it any kind of thing at all, it's very important to cleanse. Pray very well, tell God that this is what you want to embark on. So apart from that, if you just want total protection, you want God to protect you, like, it's not as if without this salt, okay, it's not as if without salt God will not hear you. This will make it come to pass. Okay, there are some people that only prayers works for. So there are some people's condition that requires something more than prayer. So sea salt is purely natural and also spiritual. So make use of it for cleansing. Add it into your bath water, like 1 or 2 tablespoons, just like the sugar. Use it to wash, to cleanse yourself. As you are doing, you have to be praying as well. I want to let you know that salt is majorly for protection. So any evil thing they want to plan, they will not see you. If they try to harm you in any way, you become untouchable. So this is going to make your prayers, like, make it work very well. Cleansing out any evil to open doors for you. So I always suggest this first before trying anything. That sugar one is in case you have tried other ones. Like you have tried this one for protection, but you want your life to be sweet, you want people to favor you, you want other good things of life, you can make use of sugar. So this one is always the first. There are so many cleansing work, so many, uncountable, but I just want to show you only 3. So the third one I want to show you is palm oil, like red oil cleansing. So this is red oil cleansing. Many people don't know that you can make use of red oil for cleansing spiritually. So this is how to make use of it, to get rid of evil, to get rid of witchcraft attack. Yes, this removes witchcraft attack and also any evil thing like bad luck that the enemy must have placed or the one you must have attracted into your life. There are some people that have put your hand in so many bad things and now you want to withdraw, you want to stop that evil. You can make use of palm oil. This is palm oil from a palm tree, or you can call it palm kernel oil. So you can use it for cleansing. By the grace of God, this will help greatly to get rid of any filthiness you must have attracted that will make things not to work for you. So this is how to make use of it. You have to apply this oil, not everything, please, just about little. Apply all over your body, your face, everywhere first. Then you have to use water to wash it out. This, you don't need soap. Okay, do not make use of soap. This is a spiritual bath. You can also add salt into that water you want to use for cleansing now this oil. Water cannot remove oil, okay? Without soap, it will not remove oil. Do not worry. Just be using water to wash after rubbing that oil. Be praying as you are doing so. Be praying as you are doing so. When you are done, you have to use, a cloth that you are not using. Maybe a cloth that you are sure that you are not using, because this oil will stain your garment. So that is why you should use an old garment, old clothes, old towel. Use it to clean out some excessive oil from your body. After that, you have to trash that clothes. Trash it out. Do not make use of it again. So some people do this for 3 days. Some people do it for 7 days. If you feel that spiritual work don't work for you, you have to extend your cleansing. If, for example, if it's stated that you should do only 1 day cleansing, then you can extend it, because there are different levels of deliverance. Some people, they need higher one. You have to extend it if you feel that spiritual work don't work for you. So another thing I always say, if spiritual work don't work for you, check if it's a water work that works for you or fire work. Fire work is the one of like burning incense or burning candle during prayers, or burning bay leaf, anything that involves you to burn, ignite fire. That one is firework. Some people, after doing only bay leaf, burning bay leaf or clove, you see that miracles here and there. And if they try water work like cleansing baths, anything that involves mixing something in water to bath, it will not work for them. And that is because it's only firework that works for them best. If you see that it's only water work that works for you, stick to it. Okay, it's not as if you will not watch other videos. Watching other videos will make you to learn and also to increase your spiritual life, increase your spiritual faith, everything. So you have to take note of this. It's very important. And also a clean heart is very important. Before you do any spiritual work, before trying anything at all, make sure your hands are clean. Do not involve in anything bad, or after asking God to forgive your iniquities, then you go back again. The blessing will just stop. It will just stop. Okay, when you acquire your blessing, you have to continue. Once in a while, try that spiritual work or do cleansing work, or continue praying. Do not cease, because the evil ones, they don't rest. They don't rest. They keep on trying to harm. They don't rest. Even if you see them, they are pretending to laugh with you. Don't give up. Continue the way you are doing, so that they will not come back when you are weak and start attacking you. So try any of these spiritual baths, these 3 things I just said, and you see that many things that is troubling you will reduce. And as you make use of it, continuously, you see that those things will be no more. Do not quit. Do not cease in prayer. Prayer is number 1. And also inviting God in that thing you are doing is most important. Your faith is highly important. Also, do not do any spiritual work when you are seeing your period. If you are a lady, when you're seeing your menstrual flow. No. Also, do not meet your partner sexually. After spiritual work, give like some days before meeting your partner. Or if you have met your partner, give some days, like 1 or 2 days before trying any spiritual work. And also, I've also shared how to cleanse after meeting your partner before trying any spiritual work. Check my channel, everything is there, okay? God is going to bless you and make you untouchable. You'll be great and untouchable. Any good thing you desire will come your way. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Share this video to everyone. Remain blessed as always. I'll see you in my next video.